This is the ultimate chicken nugget challenge.
Oh no!
100 chicken nuggets, 5 different restaurants. We will be timed. What?
The time is so fast.
And it will be hot. The spiciness already worked. Easy. I thought this was gonna be easy. Spicier times 2. Bulldog sauce.
We're gonna fail, right?
Can we do it? Guys, stick around to find out. Let's find eat. Alright guys, so we have here 100 chicken nuggets, 20 chicken nuggets from 5 different restaurants. There you have it. First, we'll try everything once, and then later on, the challenge, we will put some hot sauce. Because you guys like us in pain eh. But we've never won a challenge.
No, never.
All our mukbang challenge we failed, so maybe this is the day because I love chicken nuggets. How about you?
I love chicken nuggets too.
Oh my gosh.
We won't let this down.
I think we can do this.
Yes.
100 chicken nuggets, we can do it. For this challenge, first we'll taste everything, then we'll start the timer. And then we'll also put a counter of how much we've eaten individually.
Okay. How
So,
many minutes?
Maybe to be safe, maybe 20 minutes.
20.
If we can do it under 20 minutes, you should subscribe. Okay? Okay, so let's try everything first one by one. Let's try this one first from Wendy's.
Wendy's didn't know Wendy's has chicken.
Wendy's chicken nuggets. Let's try. Pretty dry.
That's what I thought.
Really dry. Let's try this from Burger King. Looks similar to
Like chicken skin.
No, it's similar to the size of the McDonald's. Okay, let's go.
I like the taste of it.
It's pretty good. Has a nice crunch outside also. I like it.
I like it.
Good job, Burger King.
Wow.
Okay, next one, KFC. I didn't know that the Philippines had
Chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets from KFC.
I think it's new on the menu.
It's very small. Look at this. Compared to, it's smaller.
Smaller.
McDonald's. Okay. KFC.
Dry also.
Dry also. Needs the sauce. They gave us some gravies. Everybody has sauce eh.
Wait, is this counted on the timer?
No, not
Not
yet.
yet. Okay. So far, I like the Burger King one.
This one is not from a fast food. This one is from the alley. We wanted to throw a curveball. The
Where's that?
alley. BGC, I think.
Oh.
Let's see. I like it.
Kind of tastes like burger.
Because the alley is a burger place.
Oh, that's why maybe they cook this.
But so far, in the taste competition, so far Burger King is winning. Let's see. Of course, this is the most tried and tested, the most popular chicken nugget in the world. Let's go. This is still my favorite, I think. For me, for now, McDonald's number 1, Burger King number 2, The Alley number 3, Wendy's number 4, KFC number 5. How about you?
Me, Burger King number 1. Number 2, McDo. Number 3 is Wendy's. Number 4 is KFC. Number 5, The Alley.
Right now, we've tasted 5 each chicken nuggets. We'll start the timer.
Alright.
5, 4. The challenge starts now. The challenge starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. McDonald's. I want some sauce. Classic nugget sauce. Good
Much
alley.
better with the sauce.
Let me try the alley sauce first.
What sauce is that? Is that manong sauce?
Looks like it, but it's Let
me try.
It's a good sauce. Burger King sauce, Burger King nuggets.
I think we can do this.
I think we can do this. I think we can win.
Kinda like the Burger King one without the sauce.
Yeah. You know, KFC, you don't want us to open your, you know. But we have the other one.
Oh, I miss El Juanito.
He's leave. I know. He's in vacation leave. KFC's gravy is very good, but the way they package it like this is not very good. So let's see if it fixes the dryness of the chicken.
I don't like. Sorry, not sorry.
KFC one is not the best,
Yeah,
really.
but maybe with another sauce.
Yeah. We'll try it with McDonald's sauce.
So far, this is the most enjoyable mukbang.
I 100% agree. Why does the KFC gravy work with everything except the KFC nuggets?
KFC, come on.
Right.
I agree.
Right?
Right?
Works.
What you doing, KFC?
14 minutes to go.
14 minutes to go. Easy.
I don't know how many of you.
We'll just see in the video.
I lost count. We'll just put the thing.
No. Ting, 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 ting.
Burger King sauce works with the Burger King.
The Ali and the Ali. Let's try.
What? It's good.
Let's go. Yam.
Huh?
Ooh. I told you.
What?
The
Yeah.
time is so fast.
When you reach the 10-minute mark, we'll level it up with a smooth.
I don't care. I will enjoy this.
Yeah, I like spicy food.
I feel like your timer has cheat code.
Let's try it with chigas first.
Chigas, alright.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Chigas, very good sauce. If you're a chili lover and you run across this somewhere, buy it. Very good. I promise. But it's it does have a kick,
Yeah.
spicy kick, but I like it a lot. Oh, I'm beginning to sweat. The spiciness already worked.
Chigas, if you're watching this, baka naman.
Maybe the sponsor us.
Oh, 5 minutes left, oh.
What? What happened?
But this one's very hot too.
This one.
Ah, that's the hotter one, right?
Yeah, that's the hottest. This one I like. Oh no! Oh my god, there's so much left.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I thought this was gonna be easy.
Let me try this one.
Yeah. Spicier, ×2. Bulldog sauce.
Bruh.
We're gonna fail, right?
Yes.
I think we're gonna do the last bite with all the
With everything.
with everything.
You should do that.
We'll never win that. We have never won anything. Challenge.
30, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah.
Game.
I like the ringtone.
Very full now. Guys, so that's it for us today in this another failed challenge. But even though we failed and I'm a little bit sweaty, we really enjoyed this episode. I just love chicken nuggets really. So if you guys like the video, please leave a like. I hope you enjoyed the chicken nuggets. What other foods do you want us to try to mukbang? We'll try to do it. Subscribe if you want to find out if we win a challenge in the future or not. But right now, we're 0 out of 5. Comment down below whatever type of challenge you want us to do and we'll try to do it. And we love you. Bye-bye.